Operator. Operator. Give me Western Union. Never mind long distance. Give me Western Union. These desperate circumstances. Help me. I'm caught in a trap. I'm caught in.
You left the phone off the hook.
Let me get by you.
Get by me? Sure. Go ahead.
You stand over there!
You got plenty of room to get by me now.
Not with you there, but I've got to get out somehow.
You think I'll interfere with you? Come to think of it, maybe you wouldn't be bad to interfere with.
Don't you come another step or I'll...
What?
Something bad will happen, I warn you.
It will it? And what's that?
Don't! I'm in danger!
Well, what did you do that for?
So I can twist it into your face.
You would do that, wouldn't you?
I would if you...
Alright. You want some roughhouse? Come on and let's have some roughhouse! Tiger. Drop the knife. Drop it! We've had this date with each other from the beginning.